I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After seasonal highs in the upper 30s to the mid-40s and lighter northerly winds turning to the southwest early tomorrow, a warm front boosting our highs tomorrow into the mid-50s to the low 60s. Another cold front ushers in northwest wind gusts to 30 tomorrow afternoon in the central and west. Elevated fire weather conditions return tomorrow afternoon with the stronger winds, mild temperatures, and low humidity. Even stronger winds arrive on Friday as the second front increases northwest wind gusts to 50 to 65. Snow showers in northern and eastern areas of Nebraska on Friday, and the strong winds may reduce visibility, but no accumulation is expected. Highs drop to the mid-30s to the low 40s Friday, and mostly the mid-20s to the mid-30s Saturday. The exception Saturday, northwest Kansas with highs up around 40. Friday night through Saturday night remain breezy, and wind chills could drop well below zero both nights. Highs warm mostly into the 40s on Sunday, even the low to mid-50s over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. Yet another cold front lowers our highs on Martin Luther King Day to the mid-30s to the mid-40s. Highs bounce back into the 40s in most areas Tuesday, in the low to mid-50s over southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. Long-term forecast is turning cooler. Mostly seasonal temperatures are predicted for Nebraska and Kansas the early to middle portion of next week before temperatures turn slightly cooler than normal late next week through January 27th. During late January in central Nebraska, typical daytime highs are in the upper 30s with average overnight lows in the mid-teens. It also looks to be more active for Nebraska and Kansas Monday through January 27th with slightly above normal precipitation. Key weather factors driving the markets include several shots of cold air and snow in the U.S., harsh cold in the Black Sea region, and dry spots in Argentina. Over the next several days, a series of quick-moving areas of low pressure or clippers dive across western Canada before moving through the Great Lakes region. Each cold front or clipper is accompanied by a burst of snow with heavier squalls downwind of the Great Lakes. Outside of the Great Lakes snowbelt locations, snowfall mostly light, although wind-driven snow may still cause occasional travel problems from the northern plains into the Midwest and Northeast. Some of the highest winds, gusting to 50 to 70 or higher, should develop across the northern plains late tomorrow into Friday. The rest of the U.S. experiences dry weather the next 5 days, outside of spotty rain in the southeast. Warm and dry weather in the west contrasts with increasingly cold weather east of the Rockies. The initial surge of cold air leads to below freezing temperatures in parts of Florida on Friday morning. Another cold blast leads to widespread below zero morning lows across the upper Midwest this weekend. A warm in the west and cold in the east pattern starts next week. Cold air pools in Canada while warmth spreads across the south. Eventually the cold winning out, probably with the big storm pulling us south, possibly starting late next week. The eastern Black Sea region may need to worry about winter kill as the cold air sticks around through next week and may be intense. Southern and central Argentina remain drier with dropping soil moisture and declining crop conditions. There was spotty rain in southern Argentina yesterday. Tomorrow and Friday, rainfall amounts may be impressive for lucky locations in northern Argentina as the south remains dry. Brazil conditions continue to be favorable. With your check of ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.